Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at some HK USP rail adapters by Machinecraft. We have on the left Mr. 9 for full-size HK USP 9 and 40 models, and on the right, the Mini 9 suitable for USP compact. It comes with a user manual, stainless steel screws, and black oxide screws, and the hex wrench. It comes with the same on the Mini version, and they also include some Machinecraft stickers. The user manual is pretty straightforward. It explains the different models along with the compatible firearms and how to install the rail adapters. Looking at the Mr. 9, this is a two-piece design, which is precision machined from 7075 T6 aluminum and Type 3 hard-coated anodized. The branding is on the bottom and you have a screw on each side. It feels lightweight and it has a nice smooth finish. Again, this will fit full-size HK USP 9 and 40 models. And here is a Mini 9, which is intended for USP compact models. Same finish and a two-piece design with the branding on the bottom. It's designed for the Streamlight TLR sublights, and it also comes with a rail key for non-sub TLR 7 and 8 models. And here's just a quick comparison of an HK rail adapter from HK Parts compared to the Mr. 9. Definitely a lot smaller in form factor and not as bulky. Okay, let's test it out. I have the HK USP 9 on the left and the compact on the right. They have been both safety checked and it's not loaded. I'll be using the TLR 7X for the full size and the TLR 7 on the compact. Installation is straightforward. Just loosen the two screws and attach to the bottom. I'll separate the two pieces to show how the overall fit is. You can see it has a nice flush fit into the slot on each side. It doesn't look bulky and just flows with the overall design of the USP. Next, you want to tighten the two screws and ensure that you don't over tighten it. And here it is all secured with the screws. You can see the left side and the right side. Now for the USP Compact 9. Just loosen the two screws and attach to the bottom. You can see the nice fit on both sides. And here it is attached with the screws tightened. And here is how it looks with the lights attached. The Streamlight TLR 7X on the full size, and I have the TLR 7 on the compact. They're easy to attach and no issues with functionality. It has an awesome fit all around for both of the models. Nothing loose, nothing sagging, and everything looks straight. Okay, so that's a look at the Machinecraft Mr. 9 and Mini 9 rail adapter for HK USP and USP compact. These are definitely solid and worth it if you've been searching and trying out different adapters on the market. I've left the links in the description box below if you want to check them out.